In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Resident Evil 7, and you can use cheats like Ultimate Health and Infinite Ammo. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and select this first link option. Once download done, select this three dot icon and select downloads. It says dangerous file. Click on three dot icon and select download dangerous file option and select download. Once download done, select this folder icon, double click on the trainer and select yes option. No stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press tab and open the trainer. Now turn on the cheats you like to use. Infinite health, infinite ammo, no reload, infinite items. And once you turn on the things you like to use, minimize the trainer and get back to the game. To show you guys it's working, the ammo is increased, no reload and infinite ammo. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.